In Tamil Nadu, the beat of Parai once echoed through rituals, protests, and celebrations. A drum of identity, resistance, and community. For long suppressed and stigmatized, this tradition is now finding its voice again through Buddhar Kalai Kuzhu. Formed by Annaviyar Manimaran, the collective is dedicated to reviving the Parai, teaching its rhythm in colleges, hosting workshops, and carrying its stories into festivals and public spaces. True to its roots, yet open to fusion with theatre, dance, and social themes, Parai becomes more than music. It becomes dialogue, empowerment, and healing.
கலைகள் நமது வரலாறு, கலைகள் நமது வாழ்வியல், கலைகள் நமது எதிர்காலம், கலைகளையும் கலைஞர்களையும் கொண்டாடுவோம்.
By keeping this rhythm alive, they are ensuring that the next generation does not just inherit a drum, but a powerful symbol of Tamil Nadu's identity and dignity.